1. Create a designated study space for your students. 2. Keep a planner. Time management is an incredibly important aspect of effective study skills. So, ensure your student knows how to keep a homework planner. 3. Take effective notes. Utilizing this classic note-taking system can help your child process information taught in class and truly retain what they've learned. Practice for tests. Simply reviewing content before a test isn't necessarily the best method to ensure your child is prepared for an upcoming test. Instead, encourage them to try more interactive approaches, like completing practice tests or using flashcards. 5. Avoid cramming. Studying a little bit of a subject every day is much better for long-term retention than studying for a longer period of time a single day. 6. Teach your child to ask for help. Teach your student how to bring up challenges early with a teacher and ask for help, and don't be afraid to bring up concerns with their teacher yourself either. 7. Avoid distractions. Teach your student how to put their computer away and turn off all other devices that may serve as a form of distraction while they're studying.